How to upload font in Wix. So in order to upload a custom font to your Wix website, you first need to head over and open your Wix website editor. Now into this, just select any text element that you wish to add that particular custom font into. For example, let's add it right here into this text. Once the text has been selected, we just need to click on this edit text option. Now from in there, it should be able to open here this. So scroll down and here you can see the font. Click onto this font option, it will open this drop down. And in here you can see the upload fonts option. So click onto this and then this will open your file explorer and you can just manage your fonts. So I have added this fonts already. If you want, you can upload fonts right here. So you can select your font file. It can be a TTF, OTF, WOFF, or WOFF2. So in this case, these are tab. So you just head over and choosing here which one you want. Then upload once you have already added. And then after that, this should be able to be added all together into this particular website that you're in. So that's how you upload font in Wix. Hope you help.